Okay, so there is a maximum loan amount that you're allowed to get every year if you're getting a traditional loan, like a conforming loan, conventional, VA, and the amount changes every year. Okay, you see these graphs, it pokes up year by year and are raised to allow families to still continue to be able to secure Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac financing when home values increase. Now remember, it's very important that people are allowed to get this Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac financing because it's pretty much, for the most part, at the lowest rates that you'll find anywhere else. If you didn't get a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan, you'd probably have to get what's called a hard money loan. And closing costs are like double jacked up and the rates are like 2 to 3% higher. So this Fannie Freddie financing is very important for people to be able to still afford homes and for the home market to run the way it does. So there are what you call standard conforming limits for every county in the nation. Okay, so for 2023, that's $726,200. Okay, and then based on county, there may be even higher priced limits for counties where it's more expensive to buy a house. Okay, so these then additional limits, these high balance or super conforming limits is what they're called, have underwriting where minimum credit scores and down payments are a little bit higher, but they allow you to buy closer into the urban areas. So for example, 726K is the limit across all counties in 2023, but then the super conforming or high balance loan limits can be up to $1,089,300. So just take an example here, looking at the Virginia county limits. You see that the rural counties just keep the baseline 726K, then closer into the big cities. Some counties have higher super conforming or high balance limits. Okay, so those are closer to or even at 1.089 million and change. So this is how it is in most states where the smaller counties will keep the standard conforming limit, but then the bigger ones will have ones closer to the 1.089 for this year. And by the way, if you have a friend that you think should or will buy a house in the next few years, please show them this channel so they can learn all this great stuff just like you are too. Now, there's other states like Texas, okay, where all counties keep just the standard conforming loan limit. They don't go higher than the baseline, like the 726K this year, and let their counties creep up any closer to 1.089 million. Okay, and a couple other notes, with a VA loan, you can still do a 0% down loan through the high balance or super conforming limits. That's, if you still qualify based on all the other regulations. And then above the final county loan limit, you can get jumbo loans. Okay, so VA loans, you can actually get VA loans above the max county loan limit if you keep on bringing more of a down payment. Then let's say you maxed out at the loan limit of 0% down at 1 million, but then you had another $25,000 that you were able to put down. So then you could then purchase a house of $1.1 million with a $1.075 million loan because you went past $1 million. So then let's just say that was the hypothetical loan amount for that year for that county. Then you'd have to bring $1 in a down payment for each extra $4 of then the house that you want past that loan limit. Hope that made sense. Then yes, above the final county loan limit, you can get jumbo loans, and some lenders will even allow you to get jumbo loans above the standard conforming limit or 726 for 2023 up to the high balance and super conforming limit. So sometimes jumbo loans do have better terms than the conforming loans, which is important because then you get to pick whether you want a jumbo loan or a conforming loan in between that standard conforming loan limit and the high balance super conforming limit. But guys, that's it. Keep watching for more, and thank you very much.